Mauser is a $4.5 billion company. We're global. We have 180 factories, and we focus on making industrial containers. That could be anything from a can for oil applications to paint, all the way up to 55-gallon drums. They got to see what it's like to be in a factory on a day-to-day basis, and what the importance of collaboration is, automation, engineering, and the fact that there's a lot of complication, a lot of things that need to work together in order to make a successful operation.
The different machines they use were just incredible. They're huge machines, like moving so many products at once. It's cool to see how they're built and the way they're manufactured and who they're sold to, and just the process of making it from the very bare materials to the final product.
I think the more that they can see these kind of experiences and go to different plants or different operations, they'll be exposed to things that really help open their eyes about what it's like to have a job in business, and the importance of continuous improvement associated with that. I don't know that a lot of institutions are doing what the Burgess Institute is attempting to do, which is provide these extra skills other than just academics to part of their curriculum, and ultimately get people better positioned for what it is that they're going to do when they graduate from Dickinson.